Hello and welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to create some awesome devil makeups. To begin our devil makeup looks, we're going to apply our latex prosthetic horns using some Prozade adhesive. Now you can apply these horns first and then paint them, or pre-paint them before sticking them on. Once the horns are secured, we're going to go in with our red stick. So this is a cream or grease based makeup, and we're going to be applying that with a blender. You want to make sure that you get a nice even coverage and go over the edges of your horns as well. We're going to be applying the red over the entire face, no moisturizer needed underneath. Depending on what you're wearing, you might want to bring this down onto the neck as well, and you might also want to fill in the ears depending on how you're wearing your hair. Now, because this is a grease or cream based makeup, we do want to make sure that we powder it all off. So using a powder puff and translucent powder, make sure that you get a good coat of powder on top of this to set the makeup. Once you've fully powdered off the red, it's time to go in with some black eyeshadow from our Trick palette and a small little fluffy eyeshadow brush, and we're going to start contouring the face. So we want to add a little contour underneath the cheekbones, and we also want to darken out the eyes. So we're fully covering the eyelids with black eyeshadow and then going underneath the eyes a little bit as well. We're also going to add some black eyeshadow into the temples and also along the hairline. For a male contour, you might want to chisel the face a little bit more, so get a little bit more angular with your cheekbone shading. And you can choose to make this as intense as you like. Now we're going to get a round brush and some black face paint, and we're going to start adding some extra detail to the face. So if you haven't already painted your horns before applying them, you can just fill these in with some black paint. You can of course choose to paint them white as well, but if you have a little bit of red from your makeup on the horns and then use white on top of that, you may run the risk of your horns becoming pink. To blend the horns more into the makeup, you can choose to add some little cracks coming from the base of the horns as well. And you can also use your face paint to create an eyeliner underneath the eyes. What we're doing here is just first creating a small line and then using our little fluffy brush while it's still wet and fading it out. And this just adds a little bit more intensity around the eyes. Now also using our black face paint, we're going to create some nice black lips. But if you are planning on having a few drinks with this makeup on, you might want to opt for a waterproof black lippy. From here on out, it's up to you for what other details you might want to add to this makeup, but we are going for some basic devils, so this is our look for today. We hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial on devil makeups, and if this kind of content interests you, please subscribe to our channel. All of the products that we used for this makeup can be purchased from bodyfx.co.nz.